Sean,
There's one more.
where are you going? You stay away from that girl. She's nothing but trouble. Keep yourself straight. I need you to answer me.
Yes, mommy.
Yes, mommy, what?
I want to see her.
Fine. 10 minutes.
Yes, mom.
I think it can be done enough.
What do you mean?
That's what I mean.
It's alright. You did it. What do you mean it can't work?
There's the 2 hours. This is when I reach.
I'm gonna say you do it one time, and one time you cut out piece and like you make the mark there, you make a next mark under that and you chop out a piece there.
Like that.
Try again, man. Better just try again, man. Try again, man.
That was holding me kid.
I thought I wouldn't make it either because
You liked it?
thank you, thank you. Well, I thought I was gonna make it either because my father, well, he must show me some tools, and I think I could take that opportunity to come and see you. You really busy.
Wonderful.
Yes.
But you're shaking, Brittany.
Well, well, I guess I'm still nervous around you.
We've been doing this now for 3 months.
I guess you're right, but whatever. Well, I think I'm ready for the next step.
Sex?
No, kiss.
Oh, that's what you meant.
Yes.
The first step.
Yes. I think I'm ready to risk it all. But my father is watching me too much. That's the thing. And it's getting to me right now, I'm being honest.
My mother is already being very suspicious of us. She's watching me like a hawk. She's watching the clock right now. I can bet on it.
So I guess we have 5 minutes
For
to...
sex?
No! To forget about our parents and just be us. do us.
I hate my mother.
I hate my father also.
I don't want to spend 5 minutes with you. I want to spend a lifetime.
I want to wake up every morning and make breakfast for you.
I want to wake up every morning and have sex.
Listen, my father say that having sex is not love, but kisses, that's true love.
No, my mom said the opposite.
What?
My mom says she likes sex more. That's real love.
Why are you calling me? Okay.
Well, that sounds fun, but I'm only 17 and we have 2 more years ahead of us before we can do that.
Want to hold your hand and walk freely without the world trying to pull us apart.
Listen, you see this ring that I gave you? If my father ever tried to move and try to separate us from being together, just know this wasn't a dream.
Your son,
No, that's not my son's handwriting. Your daughter must have wrote that to my son.
listen to me not me say. You see, I find it in my house. Tear up. Your son write this to my daughter.
No.
You see, I tape me have to tape it up back.
That's not his writing, and he's a virgin.
Listen to me, my daughter a virgin. You hear me tell you?
No, I guess
It's not
she's.
him write it.
What you mean by move away? Did he say this to you?
It doesn't matter where you found this or who's a virgin or not a virgin. There has to be something done about this. Like now. What do we do?
He's thinking about it. That's the reason why I have to go now. I can't let him know that I'm missing.
This is for you.
Alright, go now, go now, go!
What about the kiss?
Tomorrow!
Where were you?
Just run by the road, Mama. I told you I'll come back. He's not telling me yet.
Are you sure about that?
I don't really know.
You don't know. Is there something you need to tell me?
Something I need. Mama, what are you talking about?
Well, you know
What I need to tell you?
You can tell me. Because I think that there's something you need to tell me.
I don't understand. Mom.
I think you do.
No, I don't.
I think you have till the end of the day to explain yourself.
What, Mommy? Come on now. You're playing with me.
Listen, you know you can tell me anything.
Yes, Mom. So I don't have anything to tell.
You're better off telling me now.
Mom, what are you saying? You what? Talk to me, Mom. I don't understand. Talk to me. Let me talk to you.
Yeah, you need to talk to me. I know you need to tell me something, and you know what I know that you need to tell me.
About what?
Just tell me the truth. You'll be better off.
The truth, man. I don't understand what you're saying, man.
I think you do. Where were you?
Down by the road there.
Mm-hmm.
Down by the road there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there more to that story?
Just down by the road.
Mm-hmm.
Mom,
Good evening, Daddy.
Mom, it's really hard to explain. Just trust me. It's really nothing.
Well, you know what? You could try it. Try to explain. Let's hear it.
Explain what, Mom? Mom, Mom, what are you talking about?
I think you know that I know. So just tell me the truth.
Is it about the dog? Mama, I only ate that dog one time. One time.
The dog?
Did it never tell me I ate that dog?
Now there's more?
More? Mom, what you talking about? I don't understand. You're playing with me.
Just about where you just came from.
Mom, if you trying to refer who I went to see,
Her.
it's not who you think. It's not her.
Oh.
Yes, Mom, it's not her. So you no need to worry. I don't know what you have against her, but man, ain't nothing, Mom. Let's believe me. Trust me.
No, I don't trust you, and you have till the end of the day to tell me.
Ma, it's not so.
I know.
I'm sorry I'm late. What happened? What happened?
Oh, that's fine, no.
He told you that?
I'm fine with paper there, ma.
How do you know that? Are you sure?
Yes,
No, I only keep that paper only one spot. Are you sure? How do you know that? What happened?
I don't know what happened, but it seems like I'm the one who bring home the papers and find them.
No. Definitely.
Listen, I go home and we see the paper upon the ground. Knowing saying I me put the paper there. And my father gave a certain type
What
of
paper, baby?
the same letter them will always write.
So you sure? That's one of them?
Seeing is believing and I see the paper upon the ground.
So
Me
you
take
sure,
it up and me
you
tear
sure
it
it
up.
wasn't you writing a letter to me, baby? No. You see, if it was him, we wouldn't be here. Just think about it.
You know, say true though, because if my father did find out, common sense. If he did find out, me know say one of this right now. So, yeah.
So what's up now?
Alright. Listen. We have a lot of time to do because my father wake up early and left the house. So, you know, say we have all day for this service.
Yeah, my mom left early today too. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Yeah. Alright, so we have a whole day today then, right?
It's good.
Alright, so we want to go to the river or the beach?
Anyone you should, baby.
Alright, river,
Yeah.
right? Alright.
So, baby, but
What?
no, I think this was the first step. Like we're approaching the first step.
No man, that's too fast. So when we reach at the river, we can't do that.
Remember, start over. Where I come from? Take your dirty filthy and off from my daughter.
No! See what you
What is your van? You're still virgin?
Bro, chill, bro.
Let me check you now.
Stay down.
Let me check you now.
See what you caused? What? Are you still a virgin?
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Get off. Go. Get.
come on.
Really? Get out of here. Go!
Hey, yo, hey.
No!
No.
Stay there! You stay there! You stay!
What's wrong with her?
Get back!
What's wrong with her?
You don't... Get away!
Yo.
Stay back there! No! No! Get away! Stay back!
What?
Stay there! This is not your business! Get away! Sit down and shut up!
Mom, please. I need to see her.
No! She's dead and it's your fault! Are you kidding me right now? Do you see what just happened? A girl is dead because of you. What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't believe she's dead.
Well, she's dead because
She's
of
not
you.
dead. She's not dead. She can't be dead.
You should listen to your mother.
I hate you.
I hate you for making a girl die. How do you feel now? You should listen to your mom. Now you know. Exactly. Now you're gonna grow old and be alone for the rest of your life. And a girl is dead. And now her family has to have no door.
Okay, so Father, I pray that this girl may find peace wherever she is.
That's it.
Yep. That's exactly what I said when I saw the little bit of money you gave me, okay? That's it.
Pastor.
Mhm.
No, man. My daughter important to the world, you know. She need a better underground send-off, bro.
Listen to me. Don't mess with me. I'll kill you in the name of Jesus, you hear me? Don't play with me like that. Keep your voice down.
Yo, Pastor.
Mm-hmm.
Just get her a better time.
Listen, I'm ready to give you back half the money you gave me and tell everybody over in the city. You want me to do that? Let everybody know how much of a liar you are. Don't play with me.
Pastor, no bother.
You better make it stay. Mhm.
Sorry, I'm late. Sorry. Go pay your respects.
Pay who?
Huh?
She said somebody's getting paid, and I'm asking who's getting paid.
Go pay your respects.
When you have too much money, man.
Hold on a minute, everybody. It's offering time. And if I don't see $7,000 in the offering pan by the end of the day, I'm digging up the dead. Come on. Come on, everybody.
Where's the coin?
And $7,000 in the offering pan, or I'm digging up the dead.
Yo, Pastor, Lord, that
You want me to dig up the dead?
me give you extra 10 grand. Make everybody go on, man.
Okay, put in the envelope and give me this. Okay.
That's how life goes. You'll get over her, not today. It'll take a little while, but you'll fall in love again with someone else.
I will never love no one again.
You're saying that now, but you'll say you can't. I know you're not
I
going to
swear.
think that way right now, but you'll change. It'll change. It'll get easier the longer the time goes by. If you love her, you'll let her go. That's what she would want. Sean! We'll get over it.
I swear. I don't want to see no one about they're in love, talking about love, all of this about love, about couple and things like that, all those stuff. Hey. Hey. Just like how they took Whitney away from me. Somebody took everyone away from their lover. Love.
I can't look like it. You know about it?
So why you tell me like I love you?
Because you don't want your reassurance. But no, it just looks so nice. Every day I'm looking for myself, deep and look, I don't need no more.
Was this something love about you?
So this is when I'll do my servants.
No. You don't really need no servant. You're gonna be lazy.
You don't need, I'm not born lazy. Yeah, the girl,
Yeah. So wait till the morning around. You actually want a servant.
no, man, not let them drink. At one point, in the house, and then.
Oh, then the time we can hide them for your
No,
time
man,
being.
but then turn my house, you know, you don't need to hide some finger. You don't need to do nothing.
No, change for me. Oh, that's good.
Right now, you tell her I show you tell her I show you, because God send the ask me for work. You have to prove it to me.
You want a kiss?
Sure.
Oh, broke that down. I don't know love. Now come talk about love. Oh, broke up all of this yourself.
Come here.
Broke
Go
up.
on to the old man right now, man.
Oh, broke up. Oh, young man. Me no want to see nobody. I come and talk about love. But you know what is love? You not come about love. I love you and a kiss and rare. Listen to me, man. They tell anybody out there, so. Me no want to see nobody about them and love and rate. Hey, you see next time I see you, I'm bored. When I lovey-dovey and all these things. I bet some make a grieve for life.
Brief.
How you mean?
Where you talk?
How you mean?
Where?
Brother, you hear me at me no want to see no love thing. And hey, if you ever not brought that up, I will kill your woman and let you alone for life. And that me mean you will grieve for life.
Bad man, and that's all about this, man.
A real thing, yeah. Real thing. No joke.
Black people.
Man, them are going with it.
Yes, Charlie.
Alright, so what you are going on now? We have all our documents then. You see me? Everything look good.
Right.
Zine. Yeah man, so here what we going. Everybody will get a copy for themselves. And every man will sign it. Zine?
Yeah.
Sound good? Nobody not a problem. Alright, so there are no fine print. Everything is straightforward. So this is yours. Read it thoroughly and have a full understanding and a full grip of what one. Alright, let me check again now.
Honestly, even PM no mind, because for me, as a local youth growing up, I always hear a lot of stories about it. But the one which keep on reoccur, basically, is when you're young and enjoy life, you find a girl and fall in love. However, don't know the reason, never reach a far nice story. Honestly, never so interested. But unfortunately, the girl passed away. And from that, it just turned me a bitter old man. Don't want to see anybody find love. From that, you curse love. It's like if I tell him about love, it's like you're telling the worst thing in the world right now. So I'm just bitter, you know, want to see nobody happy. You don't want to see nothing with love. So I just start with it. Baby, chance that you never love.
No, you're unfair.
I mean, answer.
And this is yours. Do the same thing, read it through. And finally, these are yours. That are the official stamp, official seal.
Enough of that.
You see me?
Enough of that.
Yeah.
Yes, you have us. What is it exactly?
I never said me have something to tell you. I said me have something to show you. Promise I don't tell nobody.
You promise you will not tell everybody.
Alright, step back.
You said that's not far enough.
Started Batman and I saw man when it's a real thing, yeah. Real thing. No joke.
Yo, how my girl right now?
So fair enough. This is about, you know, this is fire shot.
We can come inside and I'll show you like the bathroom and where is the room and
No, man, that's alright, man. This here right here, so look.
alright.
It's okay.
Since you're gonna stay here, this is the room. It comes with a dresser, also a bed. Here for everyone.
Well, look who decided to come and see his big sister after 400 years. I invited you to my party. Where were you?
I tried to make it.
You missed quite a night. I absolutely obliterated the competition. We are winning, brother. And it's time for you to come on the winning side.
I need your help, sis. I've made a mistake. Kayla, I mean. Kayla! Up me window now. Yeah, let me know.
No, can't let you in.
What do you mean you can't let me in?
Can't let you in.
No, just let me know. But why you not let me in?
Afraid, let you in.
I'm not afraid of me. I know nothing, man. I know nothing to afraid of. I know nothing to afraid of, man. Come, just let me know.
You can't let you in.
I just understand. Actually, not understand. I just understand. Let me know.
That don't make sense. And nothing like that. No, if you understand. And it's a magic trick.
Magic trick?
Yeah, I want magic trick.
Yeah, man, I want magic trick, man.
Yeah.
Come on, just let me know. I'm going to show you. Come on, I'm not too scared. Okay?
Alright. Bye-bye.
Give it that again.
What do you mean?
Are you frightened me? Tell me what you magic trick. Tell me.
No. It's not a magic trick. You want to do that, she let me do a magic trick.
So you squeeze me hard. Make off me hard.
Kayla.
You hurt me.
Kayla, just calm down and listen now. Just calm down and listen. Listen. Kayla. I'm not you, man.
You could never be. So, what are you then?
Let me tell you now, I'll be over.
Try me.
Okay. 10,000 years ago, they sent me a bunch of us to Earth.
10,000 years ago?
Yeah.
So, how old you be?
10,000.
Yeah, how much?
I'm 10,000 years old.
How old you are 10,000 years old? What do you mean say? What do you mean say you lied to me then?
We did. I really did. But you don't understand.
Let me understand then.
Kayla,
Eh?
everything I did for us. The three of us.
True, who? You have an ex man?
No, I don't. Kayla, you're pregnant.
Oh!
Alright.
I go.
Promise you now, but get please with everything ready. I just need from you. Come on, man, take us some idea. You better.
It is what happened, I don't understand.
Alright. As I said, I come from a race more than 10,000 years old. Come to Earth. My job is to impregnate humans and some hybrids. So I've been doing this for 10,000 years, but Kayla is so different. I feel like I would have to spend the rest of my life with it, but you know, it's not possible.
Hybrid? I guess I don't understand. You don't understand.
Listen, you're 3 months pregnant. I just did a highly verifying, but seriously, you know. Human beings, they're just food. When the very first time we come, you see the earth and humans are just food. You live, you go to work.
What? Sorry about that. Continue.
Listen, humans are just food. Realize you're born, nobody can give you a purpose, not the pastor, not a teacher, not even your own self. Human beings are just food. You live, you die, you feed back the earth. And that's all you guys ever were and were going to be. However, mankind found a greater purpose for you guys. We started impregnating you guys. Because there's a war coming. So what's going to happen on earth? We need as much help as we can get. Some hybrids are going to help us. So think about it, it's something beautiful. They're going to help me and the rest of my clan win this great war. But I know it's a lot to take here.
Davi! You know, say you lied to me and you never told me the truth in the beginning. I know you probably hear this 10,000 times, but I love you. I love you very deeply. And I'm willing to forgive you if you lied to me. And we will work with you. But we have to turn into whatever you are so we could be together forever. And so you could love me forever.
Kayla.
I'm ready now.
Kayla. It doesn't work like that.
How it work?
You have to be born. It's not something that we can pass on. It's like if you're born a dog, you're just a dog.
Just finding out what you have to do it. You don't love me?
I love you so much, but it's not possible.
Make it possible, please.
I'll try, but don't get your hopes up.
If you're ready now.
I said don't get your hopes up, I'll try.
Oh, but you got it in mind.
No. I'm gonna leave, okay?
I'm going to move on. One question. Like how you live on Earth so long? How much kids you have?
567. 68. Bye.
Tell me, brother, does it possesses the strength we need, or is it just another fragile soul to add to your stress?
She's not a weapon, Tanya. She's innocent. I let my guard down. I was foolish to tell her what I am.
You told a human our deepest secret?
Since you're gonna stay here, this is the room. It comes with a dresser, also a bed, and there is where you're going for whenever you want to use the bathroom.
Okay.
It's the same mark. This is the same. This is the same mark. Impossible. It's been 50 years.
She still look the same.
I feel young again.
Can't believe say this a girl that get way. Me never want this a girl that get way, you know. This one whole her.
And I.
What one?
We go, let me see. We're going to the place. Shall I take the place?
No, me not think so.
Shall I come back?
You don't look so.
Or try to come down?
You don't say me don't know though.
You know what she name?
No, bro. You don't know her. I first me and see her.
How she go?
Look like her that weird. I think.
You sure?
So me not much sure, bro, man.
Who are you? Or should I say, what are you? Besides petty, little human.
Just left school and I decided I could do it in life.
So practically, that means you're not used to the society you live in. Meanwhile, My brother, all eternity on you. What new value do you have then?
I want to be a teacher.
And no, you're carrying his child. A hybrid? Do you think that makes you special? Do you think you're more important than everybody else?
Davi said the baby is special. That makes me special to carry it.
It makes you an infestation.
Please, me love him and him love me.
I want to kill you so bad.
But I can't hurt an unborn hybrid.
You can't?
Not without performing a quick birth ritual. Which I need a priest for that.
So I'm special after all?
Don't push your luck. The child bought you a little time. Since I cannot dispose of you yet, I won't let you on that peace. From this point going forward, you forget him. Forget his face, forget his name, forget his voice, forget every promise he had ever made to you.
You're always been alone.
And listen to me closely. Never show yourself again to another man. Your only purpose now is to protect that child with your life.
15
The
years.
moment the child draws his first breath, you take yours and vanish away from this world forever. The child belongs to me.
Who are you with you?
What can I name the baby? Azurella? Eh? No, I can't name it like that. How about something off from my name? Doesn't make any sense.
What you do? Oh, you look like you're skipping movies yet. Skipping movies yet. What kind of thought that? The movie just done and you attempt to skip the movie. Just hold on and wait on the outro. Okay. You ever write a movie before? Or you ever produce a movie before? No? Some people might say yes, some might say no, make me can't know for sure. Anyways, this is the task. I want to do something new. This film, I want to turn it into a series. Now, it's going to be expensive based on how I write the film, but we can do it. And let me tell you how. Now, I only have the concept for the show. Like, maybe we can get 10 episodes out. You realize me say we. So maybe we can get 10 episodes out of this. When I say produce, I mean like once the end credits reach and they start rolling, you see all the name come up in it. And them level there are writing we want with the right. No. I not continue production of the film yet. You know why? I don't want the rest of the series to do as shaky as the first one we just watch. As in, when I say shaky, I mean like a lot of the angles was off because we were trying to hurry up and go through the day. The audio was all over the place because for the most part, we test a new microphone. Now, the visual effects and all these things, me even the story and people tell them about AI this, AI that, AI this, AI that. Now, AI is being integrated in every single tool we use. So, if you who watch movie them long time know some of the special effects and visual effects long before AI come in. So yes, it's being integrated into the tools I use. So I'm not going to say, oh, no, what we do now go do with AI, but I'm against AI 100% because it make me lose a lot of work and it take from the creativity. When we see people do things nowadays, I see a lot of special effects in it. The moment we can see a little bit of AI in it or assume, then it kind of take the whole creativity from the film for me. You see me, just kind of, you know what I mean? So, this film is not easy to do, right? I mean, no, so the effects they might simple. One eye change, look a color, might be one little wing here or one little wing there. No, the tracking takes a lot of time. I am not the type of person to take a, what you call it, prompt and put it in an AI and say, do this to me. That oftentimes starts to look too fake. I mean, the visual effects don't look real, to the most sense, like especially how we are doing it on an easy scale. Anyways, I'm not going to talk about that. Zane, easy to do. We just don't tell them, say, yeah, the wing is AI, but the tracking and the replacement and everything, we do it practically. Not practically, we do it literally by hand and by tracking. But this is what we are going to do. In order for us to go episode 2 of these films, now we want to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We know we love series, right? From Teenage Pregnancy Days, Love Lies and Betrayal, Z Virus. We know say we love the series. Now, yeah, Teenage Pregnancy has done so much, you know what I mean? It has even inspired a lot of creators to create similar films, but I am more passionate about these type of films that require a lot of work. You understand what I mean? And that's why I realize that when I do Teenage Pregnancy, I stop midway in episode 6, I think, or 5, and go to Love Lies and Betrayals. Continue, then stop, then go to the Z Virus. See, I want a series where we can focus on the first episode to the last one, and this is it. Now we can't continue unless we meet this requirement. We want 100 new subscription on Carib streams, and then we'll go forward. Now, every subscription starting from today, June the 23rd, every new subscription would be registered as co-producers. Zine, so let me tell you how it's going to work. So this is how you become a co-producer of this film. Zine, once you sign up on Carib Streams, on the profile screen, there's a section that says report. Then it asks you whether you want to report via WhatsApp to the Carib Stream WhatsApp number or email. Choose anyone. Once you create a subscription, you have to create a subscription first. Once you create a subscription, you do the report and just type #Wings of Love. From there, once we reach the threshold, wait, what am I saying? 100 new subscription? You know what? I really want to do the film, I want to start now. 50 new subscription. 50. I'm going to talk to my iPhone users because I realize our Android users There's a lot of you. There's a lot of you. But you can't believe, say. Let's talk about Jamaica first. Can you believe that we have, at the time of recording this video, Zin, if you can just give me 13 seconds. Give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds. Okay, at the point of recording this video, we have 717 Android subscription geolocation from Jamaica. I'm not talking about Jamaicans, but we know there's a lot of Jamaicans living abroad. 717 Android users, and only one subscription from Jamaica. Make it so keen. But I have to look for this part. I know I have 200 and something. Sorry, 200. We have 2,000 MASH iOS users. And from Jamaica, we have either 22 or 23 subscription. And we are talking about active, we're not talking about the cancer ones. So, this really surprises me, because the thing is, in the subscription on Google will show us the type of devices that download the app and all these type of things. And I realize that, you know, some people have some expensive Android devices. Me see even Galaxy Fold. So me see say you have Android phone will like double the price of the iPhone them. But me realize so iPhone users are the ones that are willing to support the most. So my Android users in Jamaica, let's do better. Okay? Let's do better. Anyways, another I'm coming for talk about. The US, Canada, I mean UK big up on yourself too as well. But let's talk about the US and Canada, especially the US. Majority of our subscription are US based. Now, even though I mentioned say this is for new subscription, old subscription, you guys can join the party as well. You know what I mean, be my guest. I'm not support you from the launch of the app, as a matter of fact. You see me? So for all our new subscription, we want to write this together. Now I won't continue the series. Guys, let's make a create one nice series now. Like something nice, evening time when I come in, and you know say, yo, whatsoever timing we release it on, you check in, and you know say, yeah, Wings of Love episode 2 drop this weekend or this week, and you know say once you go swing, you sit down and you watch it to the end, you just say, wow, that was well put together. Especially knowing you're going to help right, and especially when I see the part them where you suggest we go in, we could just create a nice movie together. And when the credits are rolling, you see your name in at the end of it. Can't tell me say you don't know, so that could be a good feeling. No, anyways, we are chat too much because we can tell us we chat over about 10 minutes already. I hope the conversation was interesting enough to keep you guys grasped throughout the entire show. So yeah guys, let's create something phenomenal. The word that always catch me, I don't know if phenomenal or phenomenal. Phenomenon is the event. Anyways, I'm not as intelligent as some people might think. But maybe I am. So guys, yeah, let's create something amazing. Head over to Carib Streams if you already have it. If you don't have Carib Streams, if you're on an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store, download the Carib Streams. If you're on an iOS device, you can scan the QR code on screen if you remember to put it up, or just check the description. Check even the comments, and we could just create something amazing. And we have some crazy plans for this film, but in order for it to work, we really need the support from you guys. So that's it. I want to sleep. I've been active all week. Hold on a minute, everybody. It's offering time. And if I don't see $7,000 in the elephant pond. By the end of the day, I'm digging up the dead. Come on, everybody.
My mom says she likes sex more.
Did I teach you that? My son?
Look how long Davi has struggled with it.
Davi, you're the final little
Oh
white
God,
part.
and the girl asleep.
One time. Shame about coming in now.
Stay down. See what you called?
Sean.
And then look at me to love, God.
Yeah, what kind of animal focus? Automatic focus?
Hold it up for me now. Come on.
No, I far gone. Ready again.